Hello there, welcome to Cyber Learning. In this video, I will show you how you can see YouTube dislikes. So for this, I am here on Google. Click on these three dots and here you see this extension option. Click on it and now go to Manage Extension. So from here, you will see all your extensions that is added. But we want to add another one, so click here. It will take you to Chrome Web Store. So once you are here on Chrome Web Store, you need to search for return YouTube dislikes and then press enter and it will open up like this. So this is the extension that we need to add. So click on add to Chrome and now add extension. So it will be added to your extension. So it is now added. Now let's open the new tab here and go to YouTube and let's see if it's showing the dislikes here or not. Okay, so now let me choose the video here. You can open any video, it will show on all the videos. Okay, so now here is the video and as you see the dislikes are showing here. Now let's test the extension here. If we disable the extension, still it's showing dislikes or not. So for this, click on extension and now go to manage extension and here you will find YouTube dislikes. So turn it off and now let's go back to the page and refresh it. It will take few seconds and let me show you if it's showing dislikes or not. So here it is. As you see, it's not showing dislikes now. So in this way, you can see dislikes on YouTube. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to Cyber Learning. Take care guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.